Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I went to Daiso and I got a little haul, so I wanted to share it with you. But I first wanted to share this bag that my husband got for me at Olvera Street in Los Angeles. He went on a field trip with his students and he got this for me, so I just wanted to share it because I thought it was so cute. It's a really cool tote bag. So let me pull everything out and then I'll show you what I got. Alright, so the first thing I got was this big old, it's like a ladle, I don't know. I saw it in the garden area and I thought it'd be great since I have my soil in my big buckets now. I'll be able to use this to either mix in there or just get my soil out. So I thought it'd be really good for that because it's nice and long. I got that. I got some terracotta pots from there. I got 2 of these. These are 6-inch pots, so I got 2 of those. They're nice because they already have the holes, big holes inside. And then I got 2 of the smaller ones, which I want to say 4. Nope, these are 5.5. I got 2 of these ones. So I got some of those. I got them more for my indoor plants. I'm gonna repot them in these, like, well, some of them, the new ones I get. Then I got these little coasters. I say coasters, but they're like little trays. So it came 4 for $1.50. So these would be for my like smaller pots. And then I got some larger ones that I believe came with 3. Yeah, 3. And these will be for my larger pots like that. I got those. Then I got these scissors. I have these ones already, but I thought these would be nice too to add to my garden scissors. I always need them, and I thought they'd be a nice little addition. They have this nice rubber grip here, so I thought they were super cute. I love this color, so I figured, hey, might as well get them. Then last but not least, I got this like tape stuff. So if I have a pothos, I have a Philodendron Brazil. So if I want to have them start trailing a little bit, I can use this to help me, safely and gently hold them up to either, like, if I put a stick in there, or to if I want to like use it to put the pothos to the hanging container or whatever I choose to put in there, this will do the trick. So yeah, so that's what I got for my haul. It's nice to go there because they always have gardening stuff, and then they have these little trays, which I love because they're more sturdy than the plastic ones that tend to mess up quickly. I have them all inside, but the 99-cent store ones. So these, I feel like they'll last a little longer than those. But yes, just a quick little haul. Then I went with my family after we watched Aladdin, which was awesome. I really liked it. It took me back to when I was a little kid. But yeah, friends, that's all. I just want to show you my haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you need some of these little tray things and you have a Daiso close by, or you need some terracotta pots, they are $1.50. So if you're gonna get, I think, if I'm not mistaken, that the 99-cent store has like this size, the bigger size. I could be wrong. I haven't been there in a bit. I know they have the bigger ones for sure. I'm not sure if they have this size, but these were $1.50 and they're really nice, and just they feel stronger than the ones at the 99-cent store. They feel like a little more well made. Sometimes the 99-cent store ones are chipped, but I still got those anyways. But yeah, I like the size on these ones. So if you need those, Daiso. And then just other garden stuff that you see and you're like, hey, I could use that for, my soil, or use those tools. Yeah, I really like this for to get my soil out, because yesterday I was using this cup to get even like turfus out, but this goes a lot deeper, and I just thought it was really cool. So that'll be it for this video. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.